We have not even to risk the adventure alone. For the heroes of all time have gone before us. The labyrinth is thoroughly known. We have only to follow the thread of the hero path. And where we had thought to find an abomination, we shall find a god. Where we had thought to slay another, we shall slay ourselves. Where we had thought to travel outward, we shall come to the center of our own existence. Where we had thought to be alone, we shall be with all the world.
The call to adventure is the first step of the hero's journey, where he is being enticed out of his ordinary world. Even before their journey begins, however, Joseph Campbell explains how every hero has already undergone a hero's journey at birth.
Everyone is a hero in his birth. He has undergone a tremendous transformation from a little, you might say, water creature living in a realm of the amniotic fluid and so forth. And then coming out, becoming an air-breathing mammal. It's an enormous transformation, and it is a heroic act, and it's a heroic act on the mother's part to bring it about.
In Man of Steel, Krypton is a metaphor for the realm of the amniotic fluid, a planet where people are literally created in the water world of the Genesis chamber. Kal-El's birth is the escape from that realm. On Earth, we meet Clark going from place to place, performing acts of heroism, on a journey to find something. He's hearing his call to adventure. Refusal of the call is the next step in our hero's journey. It is where the adventure is seen through the lens of all its negatives, its obstacles, its dangers. As we delve into Clark's childhood, we see his father's lessons taking shape. He contemplates his place in the world, suppresses his powers, and hides his true nature. It takes a psychological toll on him, but is vital in shaping him into the hero he will become. Subsequently, he values humanity to the degree where he will allow those who are less powerful to help him, even when he doesn't need it, a trait of his personality that is carried forward into his adult life. All this is the result of the repercussions of him using his abilities publicly when saving everyone on the school bus. Clark continues in life, refusing the call to adventure, a necessary refusal as he is not yet ready. But as Campbell explains, eventually the hero will undergo a psychological metamorphosis.
The child has to give up his childhood and become an adult, has to die, you might say, to its infantile personality and psyche, and come back as a self-responsible adult. It's a fundamental experience that everyone has to undergo. We're in our childhood for at least 14 years, and then to get out of that posture of dependency, psychological dependency, into one of psychological self-responsibility requires a death resurrection. And that is the basic motif of the hero journey. Leaving one condition, finding the source of life to bring you forth in a richer or more mature or other condition.